So in this video we're looking at a monthly CPR scan for next month, right? So we are end of this month May, and then we are looking for a monthly CPR scan. So first stock we are looking at is AXP, right? So we have the moving averages and we also have a VWAP, right? So let's look at it. So this is AXP. You can see a buy signal from the VWAP. So buy signal also, it's matching the buy signal, okay? So trend is up. We are a monthly CPR. If you look at the CPR, we are a monthly CPR, okay? Monthly VWAP, and daily time frame, okay? You can see the buy signal, so it's a good one for uptrend, okay? Bullish. Now let's look at FANG, Diamondback Energy, FANG chart. Setup is not the right one. Okay, I don't want that. CTRA. Okay, let's look at CTRA. Okay, CTRA. You can see that. Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of good. You can see the buy signal here. Okay, so time frames are not quite bullish, but long term, short term bullish. Okay. Okay, so that is that. Let me just take this. Let me take this out. Okay, let's take this out. Now I see 45 of them. So I'm going to filter this by adding study. I'm going to say popular study. I'm going to say unbalanced volume, increasing. Okay, that's bullish. I want increasing. Let's see this one. MCK, right? MCK. Let's look at MCK. MCK, you can see that it's bullish. CPR bullish here. Okay. This also takes into account the volume. Okay, relative volume is 1.8, right? That's bullish. Upsicle, everything is green here. Okay, MCK is a good one. Okay, now let me just reduce it to 2. Let me just do RSI scan. Less than 30. So I wanted to oversold also. Okay, less than 30. That. So 40. Okay, same thing here. Okay. 50. Okay, you can see something here. Let's see the volume, outside relative volume. Okay, Dell 655 up. Huge drop on Dell. Okay, let's see. Dell FCK VLO. I think Dell will look good. A huge drop. Okay, I think it's a good one. Okay, so let's look at XLE. XLE is not good. Okay, let's see here. Let's look at market cap. WFC SCHW. Okay, this is a good one. CHW. Okay, so I think the best one will be AXP. Okay, you wait for a similar green candle above the CPR and then you can take the trade. Okay, try to watch it for 3 p.m. and then you can, when it's green, you can just take the trade. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.